We're going to start off with the Nox T3 monitor. You want this side of the device, this is the back side here with the gold keys, to be on your chest. You're going to use these clips here and clip it onto a t-shirt to keep the device in place. If you do not want to wear a t-shirt, you can wear a lanyard and clip it onto the lanyard. So just clip it on to your shirt. Next, we have the belts. Your belts will come wrapped up like this. You can remove the rubber band. There will be 2 belts here. One for the chest, one for the abdomen. First, let's apply the chest belt. The back of the belt has a little keyhole. This is where you will attach it to the device, match it with the right side of the keyhole here, clip it in place, wrap it around your body. Try not to keep the belt twisted, and you'll do the same thing on the other side. It's clipped in place. You can pull on the tab here to tighten it. Just keep in mind, once you tighten the belt, you cannot loosen it back up. Next, we're doing the abdominal connector. That's this piece here. This taller piece and more slim is going to go into the middle of the back of the chest monitor. You're just going to snap it in place on those gold pieces there, just like that. You're going to unravel this until it gets to your belly button, right above the belly button where these gold pieces are facing outwards. Now that we have the abdominal connector in place, you're going to take the other belt. The side that has the keyhole is the side that goes into the gold piece. Clip it in, wrap it around your stomach. Same thing on the other side. And now you can pull the tabs to tighten. Just keep in mind, once you tighten it, you cannot loosen it. Next, we're going to apply the cannula. Your cannula comes in this little bag here. It is sealed. It has an adapter at the end. Some of them are integrated, as this one here. If yours does not have one, you will have this extra adapter piece inside of your case. You can remove it from the bag. The end of the cannula has this piece that just inserts right into the side of your device. PRES is where you'll attach this, and you just simply push it right in. Sometimes you have to wiggle it in if it's a little bit stubborn. Just like that. This is where the nostril piece is. These 2 pieces here will go into your nostrils. You want the curve to be facing down. The tubing will go across the cheeks and behind your ears. And you can tighten it. Next, we're going to apply the wrist ox. This is going to measure the oxygen levels in your blood as well as your heart rate. You're just going to apply it as you would a watch. Wrist goes right in there, monitor on top of the wrist, and then tighten it with the Velcro. Now it's in place. Next, you want to apply the finger probe onto your finger. This side that has the wire is going to be on the top side of your hand, so you do not want it on the palm side. Your index finger goes right in there. Make sure it's not poking out of the hole. The wrist ox can be worn on either the right or left hand. If you tend to get up a lot throughout the middle of the night, put it on the opposite of your dominant hand. Your kit comes with some surgical tape. This will secure the pieces. So you'll take just a little piece and apply it on your cheek on both sides to secure the nasal cannula, and apply to your finger to secure the finger probe. Now you're ready to turn on your device. On the screen of your T3 monitor, you're going to press the circle button. This turns on the device. To record, you need to hold down the button and fill up the circle. Now the timer appears and it is recording. Your pulse oximeter will automatically turn on once you complete this step. Red light in here indicates it's on and working. Your screen may not be illuminated throughout the remainder of the test, just like it looks here, but that's normal. Once you have completed your test and you're ready to turn it off, on the T3 monitor, there's a circular button you can press. It takes you to this timer, and then you will press and hold to stop the recording. The square will fill up, and now it says hold button to record. That is how you know you stopped your recording. Now that your test is completed and the device is off, we're going to show you how to disassemble it and put it back for return. Just remove the finger probe from your finger. Remove the wrist ox. The nasal cannula just pops right out of the side. This piece is disposable, so you can just go ahead and throw this in your trash can. Unclip the belt on each side of the device. This chest belt is disposable, so again, you can just toss this in your trash can. Unclip the chest monitor and remove the abdominal belt connector. Chest monitor goes back in the case. For the abdominal belt connector, just remove the belts on each side. They snap right off. And again, this belt is disposable, so you can just throw this away. The abdominal connector needs to be returned, so just wrap it up and put it in your case. Please remember to return the Nox T3 monitor, the abdominal connector, the wrist ox, and your tape. There's also a set of 4 questionnaires that need to be filled out and returned with the device. Let's talk about the paperwork that you'll be signing prior to your test. The first one is the financial responsibility form. It does have a picture of all the contents that come inside of your kit. The device does need to be returned the next day. We do have a drop-off box that's available right outside the Easy Sleep doors. Next is your co-payment form, if you do have one. You can complete this online through our website or by just giving us a call. You can also complete it in lab if needed. Next one is the patient service agreement. This gives us permission to do the test. And then your HIPAA forms. Your HIPAA forms are front and back, 2 pages. They're going to be going over the patient bill of rights and how we will protect your information and not just send it out. Included with your HST, you are taking home 4 sets of questionnaires. These need to be returned and filled out. The first one is the home sleep test patient sleep diary. It's just going to ask if you went to the bathroom at night, if you got up at all, if there were any events that disturbed your sleep test. The next one is the pre-sleep questionnaire. This one should be completed before you do your sleep test. It's going to be regarding the night that you did not have your sleep test on. The ESS questionnaire is a scale of 1 to 3 about how easily you fall asleep in certain situations. And then the post-sleep questionnaire is after your sleep test, so you can complete this in the morning before you return it, just asking how everything went. It is a recommendation of Easy Sleep Club that you lay as flat as possible during this test. Do not sleep on your stomach. You can sleep on your sides, and then just try to have 1 pillow behind your head. If you would like to confirm that your home sleep test device is working, check your wrist ox. The screen will be on, and you'll also have a red light in here. This will be on at all times. If your red light is not on, the device is not working. Your HST device does come with fully charged, rechargeable batteries. We do charge them in between patients. If you do feel like your red light came off or did not remain on during the remainder of your test, you can change the wrist lock batteries. You can slide the cover on the back of the device, and there will be 2 AAA batteries that you can replace. For your sleep test, we do recommend that you keep it on for at least 4 hours. If you are able to keep it on longer, we recommend that you keep it on the entire night that you're sleeping.